Think AI is just for tech nerds? Think again. The newest AI tools of 2025 are designed to make you money, whether you're a freelancer, creator, or just someone who loves a smart side hustle. Here are 8 game-changing tools that can transform your laptop into a cash-generating powerhouse. Now, before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Here we go. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Have you ever wished you could make money just by writing a few sentences or ideas into an AI and letting it do the rest? ChatGPT makes that possible. In 2025, it remains one of the easiest and most profitable tools to start with. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or business owner, ChatGPT can instantly generate blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, and even entire ebooks. You can use it to offer freelance writing services on sites like Fiverr or Upwork, create SEO content for businesses, or sell digital products such as ebooks and prompt packs. Some users even run automated niche blogs or newsletters powered by ChatGPT and earn from ads or affiliate links. The best part? You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need to know how to guide the AI and refine its output. With demand for content constantly growing, ChatGPT gives you a fast, scalable way to turn words into income. Midjourney, AI art generator. What if you could create stunning artwork, logos, or t-shirt designs without ever touching a paintbrush? Midjourney allows anyone to become a digital artist in seconds. In 2025, creators are using it to design visuals for print-on-demand products, YouTube thumbnails, social media branding, and even NFTs. You can easily generate unique t-shirt or poster designs and sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or your own online store. Many freelancers also use Midjourney to offer affordable logo and branding design services to small businesses. Beyond selling designs, some creators earn passive income by licensing their AI-generated artwork or selling digital downloads. The power of Midjourney is in its simplicity. Type a few descriptive prompts, get professional quality visuals, and start monetizing your creativity. In a world that thrives on visuals, Midjourney lets you profit from art, even if you've never been a designer. Pictory, AI video creator. Have you ever wanted to run a YouTube channel or create viral TikToks, but hate being on camera or editing videos? Pictory can do it all for you. This AI video tool takes any text, like blog posts or scripts, and turns it into full videos complete with stock footage, voiceovers, captions, and music. Many people in 2025 are using Pictory to build faceless YouTube channels that earn ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate commissions. You could also offer video repurposing services for businesses that need short promotional clips but don't have the time or skills to produce them. With the growing demand for video content across every social platform, Pictory lets you generate high-quality videos in minutes. No camera, editing software, or film crew required. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to turn content into cash in the fastest-growing digital format online. Titan LLM, Mistral Medium 3. Titan LLM, launched in 2025, is a high-end large language model built to rival or even outperform top-tier AI systems, but at a fraction of the cost. Its unmatched speed, versatility, and efficiency make it the ultimate tool for entrepreneurs and businesses aiming to scale AI-driven solutions without overspending. The profit opportunities with Titan are enormous. You can use it to launch a content automation agency, producing blogs, marketing copy, and chatbots for clients at prices that undercut competitors while maintaining premium quality. Another lucrative option is to offer fine-tuning services, where you train Titan on niche-specific data to create tailored AI models for clients and charge for setup, optimization, and ongoing maintenance. You can even build and sell ready-to-use Titan-powered applications such as SaaS tools, AI writers, or industry chatbots on a subscription basis. For tech-savvy entrepreneurs, fine-tuning and reselling Titan models can become a passive income stream. Each customized model turns into a reusable digital asset. Titan LLM turns efficiency into income. Every token saved becomes profit earned. By reducing content creation costs and increasing production speed, Titan allows you to scale output, serve more clients, and multiply your revenue without expanding your team. Whether you're offering automated writing, building smart business assistants, or creating bespoke AI solutions, Titan lets you own, optimize, and monetize AI like never before. Build once, sell endlessly. Your fine-tuned Titan models keep earning while you sleep. CopyForge Adaptive Writing. Partner. CopyForge, launched in 2025, is revolutionizing the way creators and businesses communicate online. This next-generation AI writing powerhouse doesn't just produce text. It understands emotion, tone, and brand identity with stunning precision. Every word feels human, every message feels intentional, and every campaign stays perfectly aligned with your brand voice. Whether you're crafting ad campaigns, landing pages, or email sequences, CopyForge makes your words sell, not just speak. Its advanced tone adaptation engine lets you shift between professional, playful, or emotional styles instantly, making it a dream tool for marketers, entrepreneurs, and agencies alike. But here's where things get exciting. CopyForge isn't just a tool, it's a money-making machine. You can use it to launch a high-demand copywriting agency, delivering premium quality ad copy and sales content faster than any human writer. Businesses are desperate for consistent brand messaging, and with CopyForge, you can deliver that effortlessly and profitably. You can also create and sell brand voice kits, pre-built tone and style templates designed for specific industries like fitness, real estate, or e-commerce. These kits can be sold repeatedly, giving you a scalable passive income stream that grows while you sleep. Want to go even further? Offer subscription-based content services using CopyForge, where clients pay monthly for ongoing campaigns, product descriptions, and marketing materials, all generated and refined by your AI assistant. CopyForge turns creativity into currency. Every line you generate can become a product, a service, or a source of profit. Build once, sell forever. Whether you're helping brands sound smarter, funnier, or more persuasive, CopyForge gives you the power to automate influence, scale your output, and turn every word into wealth. MindSync, context-aware. Workspace Assistant MindSync, one of the most talked about innovations of 2025, is not just another productivity tool. It's your AI-powered team member that never sleeps. This context-aware workspace assistant brings real harmony to modern teams by doing what no human assistant can. It remembers everything. From project updates and communication tone to critical deadlines, MindSync acts like the brain of your business, keeping every file, message, and task perfectly organized. It integrates seamlessly with Slack, Google Drive, and Notion, creating a single hub where your entire workflow syncs effortlessly. For remote teams buried under notifications, endless tabs, and scattered documents, MindSync transforms chaos into clarity and confusion into coordination. But beyond productivity, MindSync is a goldmine for entrepreneurs and freelancers who know how to package value. You can build a team efficiency upgrade business by setting up MindSync for small and medium-sized companies desperate to streamline collaboration, offer tailored integration and workflow optimization, and charge a setup fee, plus a monthly retainer for maintenance and support. You can also run AI onboarding and training programs, teaching remote teams how to use MindSync effectively, positioning yourself as an AI productivity consultant. The demand is huge. Every growing company wants faster communication, fewer mistakes, and higher output. MindSync turns organization into opportunity and productivity into profit. By helping teams save time, reduce stress, and hit deadlines, you're not just improving workflows, you're selling peace of mind and performance. Build systems once, serve multiple clients, and watch recurring income roll in. With MindSync, every minute saved becomes money earned. Scribbly AI 2.0. The Writing Power Tool. Scribbly AI 2.0, launched in May 2025, is a next-level writing powerhouse built for creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want to dominate the digital space with speed and precision. This upgraded version takes everything great about AI writing and pushes it further, with multi-language support, advanced SEO optimization, and dynamic tone adjustment that makes your content not only smarter, but also globally effective. Whether you're crafting high-converting blog posts, persuasive web copy, or viral social media captions, Scribbly AI 2.0 turns your ideas into ready-to-publish content that ranks, resonates, and sells. But the real magic lies in how you can turn Scribbly AI 2.0 into a revenue engine. Start by building a blog writing service for affiliate marketers, producing keyword-optimized articles that rank fast and drive commissions, all with minimal effort. You can also offer multilingual content services to global clients, helping them expand their reach without hiring translators or copywriters. With just a few clicks, Scribbly AI 2.0 lets you create professional content in multiple languages, opening doors to new markets, international clients, and endless earning potential. Want to go even further? Package your expertise and Scribbly's power into a content subscription business. Deliver SEO-rich articles or social posts to clients every month, and enjoy recurring income. You could even build a niche content agency, like travel, tech, or fashion, and dominate that space with effortless production speed. Write once, publish everywhere, profit infinitely. With Scribbly AI 2.0, every paragraph becomes a product. Every post becomes potential income, and every click takes you closer to financial freedom. This isn't just a writing tool. It's your global content business in a box. Manus AI Agent, autonomous agent for complex tasks. Manus AI Agent, one of the most powerful breakthroughs of 2025, represents the next evolution of artificial intelligence. An autonomous system that doesn't just assist you, but actually works for you. Unlike traditional AI tools that need constant input, Manus can plan, execute, and adapt on its own, performing complex tasks such as workflow management, data analysis, customer support, and even writing and debugging code. Think of it as your digital employee, one that never sleeps, never complains, and never misses a deadline. The real money-making power of Manus lies in building and customizing AI agent bots for niche markets. You can create specialized agents for industries like real estate, lead handling, insurance, claim processing, e-commerce, customer support, or marketing, campaign management, and then license them to clients. Charge an upfront setup fee for creating the agent and a monthly subscription for ongoing optimization, updates, and analytics. Each AI agent you develop becomes a digital asset that keeps generating income long after it's built. Manus AI turns automation into ownership, and ownership into income. This isn't just the future of AI, it's the future of work itself. While others are busy using AI, you'll be building the AI that works for them. Sit back, let your agents handle the heavy lifting, and watch your digital workforce turn code into cash. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.